Alright, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing without a website, plus a secret to making real money at it. A lot of people don't do this, and it's kind of obvious, but they're leaving a lot of money on the table without doing this one thing. This is Crossing Seas, where I want to take you on an adventure from employee to employer. I'm Court Crossan, and let's stop wasting time and get straight to the slides. So the first one we're going to be checking out are solo ads. These ones are exciting because you'll see some action right off the bat. So solo ads are when you pay a vendor or list owner to put your offer on their emails. You pay by click, so you pay them for how many clicks you want and they deliver that. So you use their list, they sometimes can make their own email for your offer. They know their audience better than anyone. So what you want is to see something around like 30% open rate and get some sales on the front end. Some cons are you get scammed right off the bat. You may have a bad offer and it's higher risks, but you generate traffic fast. You can build your blank fast. Some of my tips are make sure everything works. If it doesn't work, you can't tell if you're being scammed. So how do you tell if you're getting scammed? Well, if they have like a bots or it's like a fake list, what you want to see is that you'll have, what you will see is you'll have a high open rate, but then no sales at all. So, but if your offer is broken, if your link is broken, then you can't tell anything. All right, so ebooks. I really like ebooks. I like reading ebooks. They're always fun for me to get. I get suckered in by this one, so that's one of the main reasons why I put it on here. So you make an ebook, or you pay someone to create it, or you can actually use an existing ebook. You pay them, and then they'll license it out to you, and then you put your affiliate links in it, and you make it available to people. However you want to do that, you could actually put it inside your emails and send it to people. Some of the cons, you need an ebook and you need a way to get it to people. You may need to spend money on getting it made, and people may not want it. But a pro is once it's made, you don't have to make more copies. It's not like a printed book where you have to keep on printing these books, and you can sell your ebook for a profit. So you can, if you notice, like a lot of ebooks are either free or as expensive as $4, but that means you could actually make money on the front end and on your affiliate links. You can make money after that. My tip to you is to do research before you make your ebook. The title, make sure you got a good cover, make sure your niche is profitable, even how to write your ebook. So if you're not a very good writer, you could actually go on Fiverr or another freelancing place, and they'll create an ebook for you that's catchy. Also, giving out a free ebook is a good way to capitalize on a sales technique of reciprocity, where you do someone a favor and they almost feel obligated to give the favor back, repay you for it. So it'll help you get their email. Content publishing platforms, websites where you can post content and you have a call to action somewhere like a hyperlink or anything like that. Also, I have Medium, LinkedIn articles, and Scoop It as examples of content publishing platforms, but also any social media really counts as that. But I wanted to point out that focus on Medium and other blogging web platforms, because they have the number one feature about them is that they have relatively low noise. Their organic traffic is still pretty good. Like Facebook is no longer good. It used to be great, their organic traffic, but now it's very minimal. There's just so much noise on Facebook. You make a post and it's just basically a drop in the water. But one of the cons about having putting content on these platforms is that you have to play by their rules. If they deem it offensive or something about it breaks the rules, they could either delete your article or make it sure that no one sees it or suspend your account. And so that's what my main tip is. Make your own content. Don't plagiarize. If you plagiarize, you'll get your you'll get your account shut down. And also, if you're going to be out in the online, you want to start building your reputation, because as your reputation grows, you're also going to get more organic. People are going to trust you. So when you say something, people are actually going to listen and not think you're full of it. So again, content publishing platforms. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to say. So you just find a website, post on it, and put your link in it, and make sure you have your own content. YouTube. I know YouTube could be considered a content publishing platform, but it's so good. There's still a great opportunity out there that I decided it deserves its own mention here. And so YouTube, you know what YouTube is. You're watching this video on YouTube. So all you do is you upload videos in your niche, and you build a following and post links in the description box or on your profile. Some of the cons: it takes time. It's hard to do right. And it's also hard to understand how to get your videos ranked if you're not used to that sort of thing. For me, it was what I said. One of the tips, one tip I would give is to add a Google extension or a Google plugin, Chrome. I forget what they're called, but you add that, and it'll actually help you rank your video. And it's a great tool. It helps me. I rank my videos, and I have 1 subscriber right now, and I have my most views is 15, I think. But one of the major pros is if you get big enough, you can monetize your channel, and you'll make money from ads and whatever you put on there. So your traffic from YouTube is high quality. It's high quality, so they hear you, they see you, and when you give them an offer, they're more inclined to participate, more inclined to opt in to your emails and trust you with your offers. So my tips for you is don't give up and upgrade your audio as soon as you can. That's one thing I did in my first couple of videos. I just did from the internal mic. Sound was horrible. I upgraded a little bit. I got a little mic on it, but right now with this channel, I'm still working on upgrading to a camera. I need basically to revamp the whole situation, the whole setup, but it's a work in progress, and we're getting there. Email marketing. Email marketing is not that exciting, but it's really your workhorse. And if you send emails, you have the gist of what email marketing is. You email people your offer. So some of the cons is a lot of emails are being sent, and another con is you need emails. So without your emails, this is worthless. You have an offer, you have an email, but you can't send it to anywhere. So that's a major problem for email marketing. But the pros, if you have those emails, it's a high open rate, and honestly, email marketing is a great return on investment for how much money you spend, how much time you have to put into it. It's a great investment. Also, it's easy to follow up with a lead. So if you send an offer to a lead, then you might notice that they opened it, but they didn't click on the offer. So what you can do then is send them a follow-up email that reminds them of the offer, and so you're warming them up to your offer, and hopefully they'd be more inclined to take it. Tip: don't spam. There's certain rules you need to follow. If you don't follow those rules, you'll get put into their spam box, you'll get put into their promotional box, stuff like that, and you want them to see you. You want them to see your emails. So sorry about the typo right there. Get an email service. Free ones are okay, but if you get an email service, it streamlines everything. It makes it great and really worth the time and effort of using the email service. It really makes things just overall better. All right, so the secret. I'm about to tell you the secret. You probably guessed it. I mentioned it a couple times in this video. The secret: all of these ways to do affiliate marketing can make you money, but you'll be leaving a lot of money on the table. if you don't do this one thing. While you're doing all this lead generating, you need to create your own list. Just like the solo ads, the vendors, they had a list. While you're doing that, you need to make your own list. Because remember, emails are your workhorse. You're going to make most of your sales in your emails. So what you need are emails to send those emails to. So use all of them to create a list in your niche. You'll make some sales on the front end with all these, with the ebooks and all that, but you'll make most of your money in the emails. So you need to collect your emails. So I suggest you use something like ClickFunnels or another sales funnel software, and you get a paid email service, something like Aweber. You do those things, you combine them together, and as you create your opt-in page, your capture page, you'll actually generate your own list. So even though you're doing solo ads, you're spending money and you're only making a little bit on the front end, which depending on your offer, you could actually the amount you paid for the offer can actually be offset by that if your emails are good enough, if your sales offer is good enough. So again, all these ways to do affiliate marketing do work, but to make them worth your while, to actually see real money come in, is you need to create your own list and do follow-up emails. Because remember, emails are going to be your workhorse, and that is it. That's the secret. I know it wasn't exciting, it wasn't like a secret technique, but remember, emails are your workhorse. You need to create your list, and this is what a lot of people fail to do, and a lot of people miss out on money. Thank you for watching. It means a lot to me. I appreciate that you took the time to check out my videos, my channel. Like, share, subscribe. In the description box, I'm gonna have a link to a free ebook. You know how much I love ebooks. This is an ebook that really helped me get on the journey to being an entrepreneur. It's not the end all, but check it out. It might help you. Also, like, share, subscribe. Give me a comment. I'd like to hear from you. Tell me what you want to hear from. Tell me what I need to improve on. I'm open to it all. And thank you very much.